Hello and welcome to a quick clean with me video. It's mainly going to be a one product use video. I'm trying to just use one product and use less products around the house and less plastic. So this one is just washing up liquid and disinfectant that I've mixed in there, and I'm just going to dump dust around this area, especially around the picture frames and the ornaments around them. So yeah, join me today. So it is also spring and I'm going to be doing a quick spring clean with me, but right now I'm just removing the dust around this area. I'm just going to spray the microfiber cloth with the dishwashing liquid and disinfectant, and I find this works really well to remove all the dust. Okay, so once that top is done, I'm now going to spray my fiber cloth again, and I'm now going to spray everything else. So just to remove the dust. Okay. Then I grab my other cloth and then I just dry everything up. I do the same to picture frames. Everything has now been dusted and everything is clean. I'm just going to put everything back where it belongs. I'm also a firm believer of tidy space, tidy mind, and I really feel a lot better in this space now that, you know, everything has been dusted and everything's in its space. I'm now also going to get into the floorboards because they also need some attention. I find this works really well as well on floorboards, just washing up liquid and microfiber cloth. Look at all that dust that it's collected. So this is the best, you know, method for me. I'm also going to show you that I can use the same on doors, but what I'll be doing, I'll do a proper clean with me spring cleaning video in the next couple of weeks. So look forward to that. I hope you enjoyed this video and I shall see you guys on the next one. Bye.